I'm Lucy Engels, quilter and visual artist. Thanks for choosing one of my EPP kits to make. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an envelope back for your cushion. Start by taking your trimmed, finished EPP cushion top, then press your backing fabric for the envelope cushions. And we're going to fold a seam. The instructions for the sizes are in your booklet, so just have a look in there. Press the seam with the iron and give it a really good crease. This makes it much easier to top stitch. Now we're going to top stitch your envelope back. You're going to sew along where you've just made the creased fold, about 2/8 of an inch away from the edge. So all the way along to the end. And repeat on the second panel. We're going to lay your cushion top face side up, and you're going to put your panels, the envelope back panels that you've just sewn. We'll place the note that I've placed the top one first with the stitch seam at the bottom, and then the second panel I put on with a stitch seam higher up. Then take your pins and pin all the way around your cushion. Make any adjustments that you might need and reposition your fabric if it's gone off to the side or it's not sitting until you get it right. Once you've pinned your cushion back, sew all the way around your cushion. After securing the edge, trim the corners off. Be sure not to catch the stitching that you've just made. Now remove all the pins. And once you've done that, you can turn your cushion the right way round. And there we have it, a finished English paper pieced hexie cushion with an envelope back. The first video in the series is on how to EPP. If you want to have a look at that, follow the QR code in your English paper piecing kit. More kits are available on my website www.lucyengels.com.